Come with us as we explore the Orka Lotus Beach Hotel in Izmir, Turkey.
We find out what it has to offer, what's available,
How much it costs, what the food's like,
and most importantly, we find out,
was it worth it?
After arriving at the hotel at around midnight, we were quickly checked in and given a personal buggy escort to our room. We woke up early the next morning to explore the resort in the daylight. We checked out the beach, the main restaurants and some of the pools. We then headed out of the resort as we had booked the Delan river cruise for the rest of the day.
Where are we going? We're going to see the turtles.
Yeah.
The turtles.
The coach picked us up outside of the resort, then after around 40 minutes we arrived at the docks, where we then changed onto a boat for the rest of the tour.
After around another hour of travel, we arrived at the mud baths. We had about an hour to ourselves to enjoy the natural springs and mud baths before getting back on the boat for dinner. Our guide gave us a small breakdown of the island and how it came to be the way that it was. There's quite a few other tour parties arriving along with ours, but there's still plenty of room to explore.
It absolutely stinks though.
Yeah, it does.
You ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
How do you feel, Sam?
Stinky.
I was in Timmy's. Hearing
When you're ready, I can take your foot out of the pool.
No, thank you. Do you feel younger?
Simba.
After spending our time in the natural but rather stinky mud baths, our next stop on the Delan River was the ancient tombs of the kings. Dating back to around 4th century BC, these tombs are carved through the cliff face and show over 170 rock-cut graves. We then headed towards Istuzu Beach, which was the last stop of the day before we were heading home. We got to explore the beach and see some very friendly turtles.
Give me something. Noggin.
How would you say the turtle trip was, Sam?
Shellfish.
After around a 2-hour boat ride of stunning views and 40 minutes on the coach, we made it back to our hotel.
We've just been shopping.
I know it's a bit windy. I don't think you'll be able to hear it, but it's a bit windy.
Flight 1 of 4. Wish us luck. We did it. So, not gonna lie, we have been here for 6 days already and we haven't filmed the room tour yet, so just thought we'd go through those for you now. So, first off, these little switches here just let the cleaners know if you are sleeping or if you would like the room cleaning. And then we've just got the controls here which control the lights. In the room, you know what those are. And then we've just got the bathroom over here. So this is the bathroom as well. So you've also got a hairdryer to dry your hair, so you don't need to bring one of those with you. We've also got some little amenities that they give you. So you've got a vanity kit. This includes stuff like earbuds, facial wipes, and there's also a little shower cap for you as well. There's also a power outlet for electrical appliances as well. And then we've got a big massive mirror here, and then a tiny little one as well. There's also a soap dispenser, hot and cold taps, and then we've got towels at the bottom here which are restocked daily as well. So this is just your basic toilet, except in Turkey you need to put the toilet paper in a bin and instead of the toilet, similar to Greece. And then there's also just a little phone in case you want to talk to the reception whilst you're on the toilet. We've got a lovely, massive, big basic shower. We've got the overhead rainfall, and then we've just got one attachment here as well. And then you've got a free 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash. Big massive wardrobes with automatic lights in case you're visually challenged like myself. And then we've also got kettle appliances and a mini fridge that they restock daily with Sprite, water, juices, lemon, Fanta, Coke. Ours is full of water because keep hydrated. They give you free Nescafe, teas, all that jazz. And then just another big massive wardrobe again. Lights are automatic. They've also got a safe to use, free of charge, and then some storage at the bottom here as well. They've also got a big long line mirror for taking all your selfies in. And then we've got your TV over here. So the TV does work, but we haven't been able to change it to English, so that just might be our fault. And then we've got drawers here. Oh, my nipples. Don't show that. And then we've got a see-through door here, which you can see is fully being used. The room does also have aircon, so it goes down to 18 degrees and the highest goes up to 30 degrees. But I don't know why you'd ever want it going up to 30 degrees. And we've also got another phone, and there's also appliances beside either of the bedsides and also by the TV as well. And then we'll go through to the balcony. So it's a big massive balcony with 2 chairs and a table. It does overlook the scrappy maybe, but it's still really nice. Nice and quiet. The doors as well, when you shut them you can't hear anything at all. Oh yeah. There's also a washing line for when you want to hang your dirty clothes that you've just washed. There's also a chicken. Is it a chicken or a cock?
It's a cock.
Cock. There's also a cockerel that comes round every few days. There we go. He's our mate, Mr. Cockerel.
Paid actor.
Yeah, he is. €5, 5 lira every day. Wakes me up, 7 AM. Love you. Now for the most important part of the bed test. Pedro, 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 Pedro. Where are we going, Sam?
So it's currently 25 to 1. So we're just going to get some towels with these cards and then we're going to head to the beach.
Yeah, boy. A pool, another pool, another 3 pools. A kids swimming pool. They also have water slide and another pool. They've also got a stage. That's right. An indoor pool. Massage rooms for when you're feeling a bit tense. There's also a gym.
So when you've exchanged your cards for the towels, they're yours to do with whatever you like all day. and then when you return them at the end of the day, they'll give you your cards back. But if you forget, then it's a charge of €5 per towel.
Crazy, mate.
Okay, a bit of a change of plan. The sun's gone in and it went a bit cold, so we've come in for dinner and I'll show you what we got.
So the main restaurant served food for most of the day except for 4 hours in the afternoon. Our favourite meals were definitely breakfast or tea time, and the staff were very attentive. If you do go, you have to try the fresh honeycomb and French toast. There are also 3 separate restaurants at the hotel which require a reservation. So this is the patisserie restaurant. We think it's open from 10 till 6, but we're not entirely sure. But you can get stuff like cakes and coffee or teas. The lift is now working. It hasn't been working most of the time we've been here, but that's okay. It's only 4 flights of stairs. Isn't it, Sam?
Only. So it's the last day now. It's currently 10 to 11. Checkout is at 11. So we go and take our suitcases down, check out officially the room, leave our luggage there, and then our coach is at 10 to 4. So we just mooch around here for the next 4.5 hours, I think it is.
I'm not leaving. I'm not going. You can't make me.
So we'll meet back down in reception. How do you feel about it being the last day?
Sad. Yeah, so someone wants to make a GoFundMe so I don't have to go back to England. That'd be great. No one named Sam, maybe.
Yeah.
We booked this holiday through TUI, so for a 7-night stay, all-inclusive trip, we paid £460 each. This included return flights, transport and food and drinks. This comes to about £66 per day, which is an absolute steal. We paid £24 each for the Delan River cruise, bringing the total cost to around £484 each, or £968 total for the both of us. So, was it worth it? We definitely think so. We would highly recommend this hotel if you're staying in Turkey. So, we'll see you next time.
Forgot to say.
Oh my god, didn't see you guys there.